A small personal loan, also known as mini loan, is an unsecured loan designed to meet short-term financial needs. These loans typically range from 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, providing quick access to funds for immediate expenses like medical emergencies, home repairs, or other unforeseen costs. No collateral required. Being unsecured, small personal loans don't require any asset as security. Quick processing. Streamlined approval and verification processes allow for rapid disbursement of funds. Eligibility criteria. To qualify for a loan at SMFG India Credit, applicants need to be Indian citizens aged between 22 and 65. They must have a minimum income of 25,000 rupees if they live in Delhi or Mumbai, or 20,000 rupees if they reside elsewhere. Additionally, a CIBIL score of 750 or higher is required. Lower interest rates. These loans often have lower interest rates compared to credit cards, making them more affordable. Flexible repayment terms. Repayment tenures can extend up to 60 months with fixed monthly payments to help borrowers manage their finances. No usage restrictions. Funds can be used for any personal financial requirement. Documents required: identity proof, Aadhaar, PAN, passport; address proof, Aadhaar, utility bills; income proof, salary slips, ITR bank statements. Small personal loans offer a fast and convenient solution to cover urgent expenses with favorable terms. Apply online with SMFG India Credit today for a small personal loan with competitive interest rates and quick approvals. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.